garbage خزله. don't throw garbage on the road. په سړک خزله مه غورځوه. don't throw garbage on the road. instrument آله. he plays a musical instrument. هغه یو موسیقي آله غږوي. he plays a musical instrument. list فهرست. I made a shopping list. ما د سودا یو فهرست جوړ کړو. I made a shopping list. magic جادو. The magician showed a magic trick. جادوگر د جادو یو کرتب وښوو. The magician showed a magic trick. message پیغام. I sent you a message. ما تا ته یو پیغام درولېږو. I sent you a message. notice پام. did you notice the sign? آیا تا نهي ته پام وکړو؟ did you notice the sign? own خپل. he owns a big house. د هغه خپل یو غټ کور دی. he owns a big house. predict پیشګویي کول. can you predict the weather? آیا ته د موسم پیشګویي کولی شي؟ can you predict the weather? professor پوهاند. the professor is very intelligent. پوهاند ډیر ذهین دی. the professor is very intelligent. rush تادي. don't rush while driving. د ګاډي چلولو په وخت تادي مه کوه. don't rush while driving. schedule جدول. my schedule is very busy. زما جدول ډیر مصروفه دی. my schedule is very busy. share ویشل. I will share my food with you. زه به خپل خوراک تا سره وویشم. I will share my food with you. stage منچ. the actor stood on the stage. اداکار په منچ ولاړ و. the actor stood on the stage. storm طوفان. the storm was very strong. طوفان ډیر مضبوط و. the storm was very strong. within کې دننه. I will return within an hour. زبا په یو ګنټه کې دننه راشم. I will return within an hour. advertise خپرول. they advertise their products online. هغوی خپل مصنوعات پر لیکه خپاره کړل. they advertise their products online. assign مقرر کول. the teacher assigned homework. استاذ د کور کار مقرر کړو. the teacher assigned homework. audience اوریدونکي. the audience clapped loudly. اوریدونکو په تیزه لاسونه وپړقول. the audience clapped loudly. breakfast ناشته. I had bread for breakfast. ما په ناشته کې ډوډۍ وخوړه. I had bread for breakfast. competition سیالي. she won the singing competition. هغې د سندرو سیالي وګټله. She won the singing competition. Cool ډېر ښه. You look cool. ته ډېر ښه ښکارې. You look cool. Cool یخ. The weather is cool today. نن موسم یخ دی. The weather is cool today. Gain حاصلول. He gained a lot of experience. هغه ډېره تجربه حاصل کړه. He gained a lot of experience. Importance ارزښت. Education has great importance. تعلیم ډېر زیات ارزښت لري. Education has great importance. Knowledge پوهه. Books give us knowledge. کتابونه موږ له پوهه راکوي. Books give us knowledge. Major مهم. مهم یعنی اهم. Education is a major concern. تعلیم یو مهمه مسله ده. Education is a major concern. یعنی تعلیم یو اهمه مسله ده. Major غټ. Pollution is a major problem. ناولتیا یو غټه ستونزه ده. ناولتیا یعنی ګندګي. ستونزه مسله. Pollution is a major problem. Mean خودغرضه. He is a mean person. هغه یو خودغرضه سړی دی. He is a mean person. Mean مطلب. What do you mean? ستا څه مطلب دی؟ What do you mean? Prefer غوره ګڼل. I prefer tea over coffee. زه د کافي په ځای چای غوره ګڼم. I prefer tea over coffee. President ولسمشر یعنی صدر. The president gave a speech. ولسمشر تقریر وکړو یعنی صدر تقریر وکړو. The president gave a speech. Progress پرمختګ یعنی ترقی. The country is making progress. هیواد پرمختګ کوي. هیواد یعنی ملک. پرمختګ ترقی یعنی ملک ترقی کوي. The country is making progress. Respect درناوی کول یا عزت کول. Always respect your elders. تل د خپلو مشرانو درناوی کوئ. Always respect your elders. Rich شتمن. شتمن یعنی مالداره. He became very rich. هغه ډیر شتمن شو. He became very rich. Skill مهارت. He has great cooking skills. هغه په پخلی کې غټ مهارت لري. He has great cooking skills. Somehow په څه طریقه. He will find a way somehow. هغه به په څه طریقه لاره پیدا کړي. He will find a way somehow. Strength طاقت. Exercise gives us strength. ورزش مونږ له طاقت راکوي. Exercise gives us strength. Vote رای. I will vote in the election. زه به په ټاکنو کې رای ورکوم. I will vote in the election. Above پورته. The sun is above the clouds. لمر د وریځو نه پورته دی. The sun is above the clouds. Ahead مخ په وړاندې. walk ahead carefully په احتیاط سره مخ په وړاندې ځه walk ahead carefully amount پیسې he paid a large amount هغه ډېرې پیسې ورکړې he paid a large amount belief یقین I have strong belief in God زما په خدای پوخ یقین دی I have strong belief in God center مرکز he stood in the center of the room هغه د کمرې په مرکز کې ولاړ و he stood in the center of the room common عام cold is common illness نزله یو عامه ناروغي ده cold is common illness cost قیمت what is the cost of this book د دې کتاب قیمت څه دی what is the cost of this book demonstrate مظاهره کول the teacher demonstrated the experiment استاذ د تجربې مظاهره وکړه the teacher demonstrated the experiment different مختلف we have different opinions زمون نظرونه مختلف دي we have different opinions evidence ثبوت the police found no evidence پولیسو ته هیڅ ثبوت میلاو نشو the police found no evidence honesty ایمانداری honesty is the best policy ایمانداری یو ډیر ښه تدبیر دی honesty is the best policy idiom محاوره he used an English idiom هغه د انګریزۍ یو محاوره استعمال کړه he used an English idiom independent خپلواک she is an independent woman هغه یو خپلواکه ښځه ده she is an independent woman inside دننه come inside the house کور ته دننه راشه come inside the house master مالک the dog obeys its master سپی د خپل مالک حکم مني the dog obeys its master master ماهر he is a master of his field هغه د خپلې شعبې ماهر دی he is a master of his field memory حافظه my memory is very weak زما حافظه ډیره کمزورې ده my memory is very weak proper مناسب wear proper clothes for the meeting د غونډې دپاره مناسب جامې واغونده wear proper clothes for the meeting scan جانچ scan the document carefully د سند جانچ په احتیاط سره وکړه scan the document carefully section حصہ this section is for VIPs دا حصہ د غوره خلکو دپاره ده this section is for VIPs surface سطح the surface of the table is smooth د میز سطح همواره ده the surface of the table is smooth د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ thanks for watching